Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Prime Minister Idele has spread out new prophecy to Nigeria while warning President Tinubu that there will be a new military base in Nigeria. That if you encourage this military base, it will affect our security. He says he's not opposing that it's not good, but please be watchful. And he sent a serious message to President Tinubu. He said a new protest is building up now. And this protest, it will be more than whatever you think that is coming. That this protest will be so big. So he warned President Tinubu against this protest, and he warned Sanwo-Olu against Lagos. He said, don't allow people to be sleeping in the market. That they are planning a new thing in the market, and that you should be vigilant on our securities. So bẹ́ẹ̀ kankan náà àlètú sọ fún yín ní Yorùbá wọ́n ní President Tinubu wọ́n ní kó má gba US military base láàyè ní Nàìjíríà o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni wọ́n wọ̀nù Sanwó-Olú wọ́n ní àwọn tó ń sùn sáàrin ọjà àtàwọn beggars kan má gbà kan dominate gbogbo ọjà yẹn because wọ́n plan another new thing ní Èkó. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Àti àwọn oríṣiríṣi prophecy míì sí gbogbo àwọn ìlú Africans míì like global prophecy gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n sọ lórí àwọn oríṣiríṣi ní America àti ní Africa gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni Prime Minister Idele ti tú palẹ̀. So ẹ̀yin náà ẹ jájọ gbọ́ kájọ gbọ́ gbogbo prophecy. Please let's listen to this prophecy while you keep on dropping your comments and whatever he says. Some people are insulting him that he's a political prophet, but all I know is most of the things he says come to pass, and he warned against another fire outbreak. So let's listen to his prophecy. This is Prime Minister Idele and this CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
There will be crisis in Mozambique. Economic crisis is coming to Mozambique. Honestly, Faye, you will lose this election. Sonko is the next president of Senegal. Yes. The only thing is, Sonko should tread with peace, with wisdom, so that they will not use Western world to truncate your government. Nigerian government don't allow US military base in Nigeria. When you allow it, it will mess up our security. I'm not saying it's not good, but the consequence, you are not seeing it now. You are warned. Nigerian satellite will be shifted and to cause network. Before the end of this year, Nigerian network will just shut down. Maybe for 1 hour, for 30 minutes, for 20 minutes, I don't know when. But before, all networks, be Netel, be anything, and so and etc. I don't want to mention anything. Then the telecommunication system will shut down. When? I don't know. It won't work. Everywhere, it's going to be general network. Even President Tinubu don't allow protests. Protest is building up. Protest. Some people are trying to build protest against your government. Be warned, be careful, it is not good. New York Times, you run to debt and you will pay huge amount of tax. Apple, you will be sanctioned. North Korea will go ahead with their nuclear weapon. America will not stop them. America will even fear them. Note, this is a warning to all Yoruba robbers. Yoruba will slum publicly. Yoruba, UK, America, all Schengen nations, they will increase their visa fee and they will change their immigration policy. That will not be favorable to most African nations, especially you travelers. So just note this. Their visa fee will change. In Gambia, the only way Boro can win is by rigging. Boro will not win, but will rig. The only way you can fight Boro totally is to have coalition. Joint. Everybody must come together as one party. But if this party goes this way, this party goes this way, Boro will win again. No, it will rig you out too. They come together. That is it. I give you Expo, Election Expo from In Evangelical Spiritual Church. In Ivory Coast, I see troubles that is coming. Ouattara, change your military. I've warned you once, sometimes last year. Your military will betray you. There is likely coup that is coming. Likely. I see anarchy in Ouattara's government. Anarchy. Tinubu must settle the northerners. Failure to settle them is application to failure of his second term. You need to be very smart. People saying they are settling the northerners for you, they are not. They are only deceiving you. They are not doing the needful. Be careful, be watchful. So Shetima, don't fight Tinubu, don't betray him. Let Tinubu betray you, but don't betray him. If you betray him, you pay for it tomorrow. It can keep you off from politics completely. Allow Tinubu to do whatever he wants to do. Just keep quiet and be watching. Ghanaian president, don't enter a helicopter with your cabinet next month within Ghana. It's dangerous. Guinea president, don't take a step that Nigerian Navy must watch very well, because bandits want to be using the water side to do another round of kidnapping. That's another round of kidnapping. Water side. Mint. That is where they are printing money. Together. They are going to betray you. And these are the people you trusted so much. Let me appreciate Barrister Jimoh Ibrahim. He will give Nigeria results. Don't bother about what anybody says, oh. Jimoh, you will bring results for Nigerian government. That is Nigeria UN representative. Navy, Chief of Naval Staff, pray for your principal officers. I still repeat it again. This is the second time. Division still came again. Pray for all the principal officers. You can hold a day fast. But you may not take it, oh. You may not. You may ignore it. There's no apology. Lagos State government, let me still warn you again. Don't let people be sleeping inside market. Close market. People living in the market, they are those planning to attack Lagos. Oh. Stop Okada riders. Stop truck pushers. And also, stop all these beggars. That is the way forward. If you don't do it, Lagos is not too safe. Oh. But well done to the Commissioner of Police. He will do a very fantastic work. Very fantastic. Shape me, in your long, right? He's a good man. He will handle security well. But we have to UCH. Be security cautious. So they will not come and kidnap anybody inside UCH. And they will not see fire outbreak. I want to thank all